Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has landed at Joint Base Andrews in Maryland ahead of his meeting with US President Donald Trump in the White House. Now, this marks their sixth such encounter in US since Trump returned to office a year ago. On Tuesday, Netanyahu's office said the top priority in his talks with Trump would be the ongoing negotiations with Iran. The Israeli Prime Minister's office said he will highlight Israel's concerns over Iran's missile arsenal and not just the nuclear program. Trump said the Israeli premier wants a deal with Iran and that the current talks on Tehran's nuclear program show promise. In an interview with Fox News, the US president said that he thinks Iran would be foolish if it did not make a deal. A top advisor to Iran's supreme leader discussed ways to reach a balanced and just agreement with the United States during talks in Oman. A spokesperson for Iran's foreign ministry said that the talks have allowed Tehran to gauge Washington's seriousness and showed enough consensus for diplomacy to continue. Now, amid diplomatic efforts, the Wall Street Journal report suggests the Trump administration officials have discussed whether to seize additional tankers involved in transporting Iranian oil. It claimed that they have held off for now, concerned about Tehran's near-certain retaliation and the impact on global oil market. The US has seized several ships that have carried Iranian oil as part of its two-month-old blockade of sanctioned tankers serving Venezuela. A move by the US to block other sanctioned ships from loading oil in Iran would squeeze Tehran's main source of revenue, expanding the aggressive strategy the White House put in place in December in the Caribbean. And this as threats for US as well as Israeli attack persists. High-resolution satellite imagery taken on Tuesday show the extent to which Iran has covered the tunnel entrances at the Isfahan nuclear complex with soil. In the imagery, the middle and southern entrances are unrecognizable and fully covered in soil, while the northernmost tunnel, which features additional passive defense measures, is backfilled with soil. No more vehicle activity is seen around the three entrances. Now, tensions have escalated with US in the backdrop of protests that rocked Iran last month. They were put down by what activists condemn as an unprecedented crackdown by the authorities, with thousands allegedly killed. On the eve of the annual commemoration of the 1979 Islamic Revolution, residents of Tehran chanted slogans against the Islamic Republic and Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei.